So it's getting about time to get that pool cleaned up for the summer, and there is no better way of getting that done than a robotic pool vacuum. So today we have WYBOT's robotic pool vacuum. We're going to get it in the pool, clean it up, and see how well it does. Let's check it out. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you are new to the show, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn that bell on if you'd like to receive notifications, hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and get in those comments. Let us know what you like about tech. Today's episode is brought to you by WYBOT. We have the 300 Pro, an awesome robotic pool cleaner. We're going to check out all the links and details located in the description on this robotic pool vacuum. So let's head on over and get this bad boy out of the box, on charge, into the pool, and see how well it does. Alright, so we have a robot vacuum by WYBOT. Let's get it out of the box and see what all it comes with. Right on top we have some paperwork, as well as a bag of some more goodies, like our AC adapter, the top that goes on the unit to pull it out of the pool, and a sweeper, and of course the user manual. Then we have the unit itself. Pull it right on out of there, nothing else in the box. And this is the vacuum unit. We have some plastic wheels, a vent right here, as well as one on the other side. And you can actually change these, the flow of what degree you want your jet flows to be. This is where the sweeper will go. We have some more wheels right here to support. The top will come off just like that, and then you'll have a screen that catches all your trash. And inside of there you can see the actual jet. So let's get this on charge and do some pool cleaning. So while getting the WYBOT on charge, I went ahead and installed the brush onto the bottom of the vacuum cleaner, along with our retrieval rope. This way I can access the pool cleaner when it is finished, a lot easier than having to fish it out or even get in the pool. When the unit is charged, the red light on the charger will go to green and you are good to go. Then you turn the unit on by the top, and you also have an LED in there as well. Once it's fully charged, all you have to do is just drop it into the pool and let it sink to the bottom, and it will automatically kick on and start cleaning your pool. As for the most part, it has auto steering technology if you haven't changed the direction on the jets itself. But when the unit is going through cleaning the pool, it will run until it hits the wall, and it will stop and automatically go into reverse and head off in the other direction. Definitely doing its job on picking up trash after it makes a few passes. And this will of course work with any pool shape and size up to a 66 by 20 foot pool. I mean, that's a total 1,300 square foot pool that this one unit can cover, as well as working on multiple different types of flooring in the pool, whether it's a vinyl liner, cement, or a tile type. The total runtime of this unit is around 120 to 130 minutes with its 6600 milliamp battery, making sure you get an extended life of cordless vacuuming for your pool. And the filtration system of course catches everything you need, from sand, pet hairs, fine dirt particles, while also brushing the bottom of your pool, picking up anything else on the liner or floor. Once the battery starts getting low or the vacuum is done cleaning, it will auto park next to the edge of the pool, help keeping you from having to go out to the center of the pool to retrieve the unit. You can easily pull up the unit by the attached rope, letting the remaining water drain out from the top. Now keep in mind that the Micron screen will keep all the trash in the unit, so once you remove that from the top, you can easily dump that and wash off the screen and have it ready for the next cleaning. And as you can see, it picked up so much trash, everything from leaves, dead bugs, and anything else that's fell inside of my pool. It's all right here inside of this unit. So with that being said, I think it's done a pretty good job helping me clean the pool. Or should I say, completely cleaning the pool on its own. So if you're out on the market for a new pool cleaner, this is one I would highly recommend to check out. Keep in mind, all the links and details to this pool cleaner is located in the description. Also, be sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and get in the comments and let us know how you are cleaning up your pool. But that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell to receive notifications, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next review.